Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to fix too many free trial accounts used on this machine, Cursor AI. All right, so let's begin with the video. To fix the too many free trial accounts used on this machine error in Cursor AI, start by pressing the Windows key plus R to open the Run dialog. Once appear, type in regedit and press OK to open the registry editor. Once there, navigate to HKey local machine, then go to software section and expand it. Then look for Microsoft section and click on it. Then scroll down and open cryptography. Inside this, look for a key named Machine Guide. Delete this entry. Then go ahead and restart your PC. After you restart your computer, Windows will automatically generate a new machine guide that is different from the original one. Keep in mind that some software licenses may deactivate or require reactivation after this change. Subscription-based software like Cursor AI relies on the machine guide to prevent multiple free trial accounts and hardware spoofing. By deleting this key, you effectively reset that identifier. Once you've done this, restart your PC, then reopen Cursor AI. The issue should be resolved. And that's it. So that's basically how you can fix too many free trial accounts used on this machine, Cursor AI. So that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.